Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson we are going to make the profile screen. It's very easy. I will just copy this one, bring it over here so we can make something similar, and then I'm going to duplicate the favorite artboard. We are going to start it from here. We are not going to make it from scratch, so I'm going to adjust this to make it a profile. So first I will remove all of this stuff with the button, and we are going to adjust this area. I'll just move it up a bit and make it wider like this, something like this, and then I will remove this. Actually, let's remove this with the heart, and then you need to adjust the size of the circle, the colored circle, which is the Baugasm, which is this one. We are going to adjust the size, make it bigger, and move it in the middle. Then we are going to use the circle or ellipse tool to make a circle like this. This will be the area for the photo, profile photo. And then we are going to use a plugin, and you know what plugin you are going to use. Just go to the plugin area, and we are going to use a plugin that we used before, which is UI Faces, this one. And I will just select the photo from here without adjusting any settings. If you want, you can adjust the settings and look for the photos that you want. I will use this girl. It's the same one. And then for the borders, I'll make it white and then increase the size. And the next thing we are going to do is to write the name for this lady. We will call her Lana Roland. This is a very random name. And we are going to move it in the middle, make it smaller, and then we will make it from regular to medium. Then we will make it smaller. Something like this is good. It looks very good like this. I will just make sure that this one is in the middle and the text as well. Then we will duplicate the text, move it up, and we will write profile. So we are now in the profile screen. Then I will make a line below it for the design purpose, because we have this line elsewhere. That's why I'm going to make a line over here as well. Let's change the color to white, and I think the size 2 is enough. And I will make it a bit shorter. Move it over here. And we are good. Now let's create the list. So first thing, I'm going to create my orders. Actually, I'm going to duplicate the name, and we are going to change it to my orders. Yeah, my orders. Okay, and then we want that arrow. So the arrow that we are going to use is from the icon for design. I'm going to use this plugin. You will go to the plugin section and use the icon for design. We're going to search for the arrow. And we are going to use one of these arrows, this one. Make sure that you select on the artboard and click on it, so you will have it added to your artboard. This is it. It's black. That's why we don't see it. I'll move it over here, make it a bit smaller, change the color to white, and we are going to adjust it more. We need to make it more small. Yeah, something like this will be good. The next thing I'm going to do is to make a line below it. So we will use the line tool, make a line like this. We're going to change the size to 0.5 and bring down the opacity. 30 is good. And now what we are going to do is to select everything, this line with the text, with the arrow, right click and group them together. And now we are going to use the repeat grid and move it down like this, so we have all of this list. And the next thing we are going to do, we are going to change the text. So I'm going to go ahead and change the text for all of them. I'll speed up the process a bit. If you want, you can follow me. If you don't want, you can skip this part. Okay, perfect. Now we've created all of them. I will just move this one to the profile because we are on the profile screen. And I'm going to remove the sample that we have. But first I will change the name for this to make it profile. And I will remove this one, move it over here. Now we have created the profile as well. In the next lesson, we are going to create the cart. I'll see you there. Bye bye.